Good afternoon all. My name is Kalpesh Gambhir Bhai Chaudhary and today is our topic is SQL. So SQL is a database computer language designed for the retrieval and management of data in a relation database. SQL standard for structured query language. So why SQL learn? So SQL is a structured query language which is a computer language for storing, manipulating, and retrieving data storage in a relational database. So SQL is a standard language for a relational database system. All the relational database management system, it means RDMS like MySQL, MS Access, Oracle, Sybase, Informix, Postgre, and SQL Server. So they use SQL as their standard database language. They are using different dialect such as MLSQL, serve using TSQL, Oracle SQL, PL or SQL. MS Access version of SQL is called JET-SQL and etc. Application of SQL. So SQL is one of the most widely using query language over the database. So the few list of uh, allow use allow user to access data in the relational database management system. So second one is allow user to describe the database. Third one is uh, to define the database in a database and manipulating the data. Next one is allow to embed it within order language using SQL modules, libraries, and pre-compilers. So next one is allow user to create and drop database and tables. Next one is to create, view, store procedure function in a database. So and next one is to set permission on table, procedure, and view. So uh, this SQL is prepared for uh, beginner to help and understand the basic as well as advanced concept of related SQL language. So next one is the SQL command. The SQL, the standard query language commands interact with the relational database are create, select, insert, update, and delete, and drop also. This command can be classified into following different natures. So first one is a create. So create command create a new table and view of a table on other object in the database. Next one is a alter. So alter modifies an existing database object such as a table. So next one is a drop. So drop is a delete an entire tables, a view of tables or other object in a database. Next one, DML means data manipulating language of. So the data manipulating language command is select. First one is select. So retrieve certain records from one or more tables. Next one is a insert. So create a record. Insert is a creates a record. Next one is a update. Update is a modifies record. And delete. So delete is a delete the record. So next one is a DCL means data control language. So data control language is command is grant. So grant is a give a privilege to user, and the next one is a revoke. So revoke is take base privilege granted from user. So the history of SQL in 1917, Dr. Igras F. Trade code of IBM is known as father of relational database. He described a relational model for database. In 1974, standard query language appeared. Uh, and 1978, IBM works to develop codes, ideas, and release a product named System R. System or R. In 1986, IBM developed the first prototypes of relational database and standard by ANSI. It means ANSI. So the first relational database was released by Relational Software, which later come to known as Oracle. So this is the SQL. Thank you so much.